When you have a long list in SwiftUI with various sections, you may want to find a convenient way to jump to a specific section in the list. New in SwiftUI, you can use sectionIndexLabel to achieve that. The sectionIndexLabel modifier in SwiftUI is in beta. It is nothing more than the single characters or the alphabets you see on the right side of the device screen. Before I show you how to add it to a SwiftUI list, I want to show you a practical example by going to the Contacts app on my iPhone. You have noticed here we have the same thing like the one we have in Xcode. By tapping any of the single characters, you jump to the section. To add a section index label to a SwiftUI list, first you define the single character list. Next, I defined a contact list with the corresponding index label. If I scroll down, you have noticed here I have defined a list with a section. Then we add the section index label modifier to the list section and specify the variable we defined here as the character label. So with this single modifier, section index label, we can quickly jump to any section of a long list. It also has another associated modifier that is called list section index visibility. So you can create a list section label and use this modifier to hide the label. That is very confusing because I was expecting to add the visibility modifier to the section itself and not the list. You have noticed here, we add the section index visibility to the list instead of the section. However, we have the section index label attached to the section. So I was expecting to have the visibility modifier also attached to the section. So this is how you can use the section index label modifier in SwiftUI to quickly point to a section in a long list.